Hello everyone, in front of me is Motorola Moto E6s, and let me show you how to force a restart of this device. So whenever you wish to force a restart of your device, whenever you want to perform a soft reset, you have to tap on power button along with volume up button. So just tap on them all together. Keep holding. Just now, okay, so now it is rebooted, so you just have to wait till you see the logo of your Motorola, and then you can release the buttons, your phone will be rebooted, and then you will be able to use it again in the normal way. And that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.